Yo, okay, we must remember that. Okay, alright guys, we got the GPS's on. Let's do some top speed testing of the stock KLX110. Oh! Gotta stop on time at this place. Alrighty. I don't actually know the results because this is backwards. I feel like this KLX is a little bit of a wild card. Being a 3-speed, we don't exactly know how to compare it to the CRF over there. But we've got the thing logged. So on the screen here, that's the top speed. And we're only going up from there. First modification is tires though. Jeepers. Let's go, my bro. Oh bro, I think we found a spot to drag race.